This video will look at how to add documents to the document management system. So the first thing we want to do is go to Content and then Document Management. From here you'll see a list of all the existing categories in the document management system, and by clicking on the name of the category we can then see any documents that exist. So there is two ways that we can go about adding a document to the system. So the first way is from this interface to just click Create on the right hand side, and then firstly we need to give the document a name. We can then modify the author's name. We then choose a file. Any keywords that we add here will be populated into the meta keywords tag. The description here will be populated into the meta description tag, and then finally we have the option to add an individual description for this particular revision of the document. Lastly, we then select any categories that this document is relevant to and then click Save. So in this instance we've added a document to the order documents category, but we haven't actually attached it to a specific order. So the other way that we can add documents into the document management system is via the document management plugin, which appears on various different object types through the system. So an object type is something like an order or a quote or a ticket. There's various different object types through the system, and the way that we would do that is, as an example, on an order, if we scroll down to the bottom of the page we should see this little plug-in here, Attached Documents. Now we can see there's a couple here already attached, but if we click Create we'll see that this is the same form here. The only difference here is the list of categories will just be limited to any categories that actually apply to the order object type. Once we're finished with that, we just click Save Document. And we can see that document has been added in there now. So if we go back to the document management interface and just refresh this page, we can now see that that document is also viewable from the order documents category.